Jay gotta find them. Here. Let's go, come on.
Are you sure?
Well, you can see when he gets out here. Are you ready?
Jaden, what's going on, buddy?
JD! JD!
Come on, Jane.
You want a jacket? Here.
No, I don't want a jacket. Please. Okay, then.
You see me? You see me? Put him in your bucket. Where you find him, put him in your bucket. There's one. Get it. Put it in your bucket. You see another one? Whoa! Any more?
Go find them, buddy. They're hiding. Find the eggs. Go find them. Hurry, there's some more hiding.
Oh, wow. Look, he must have been here late last night, huh, Jay?
I was thinking about that, but I thought...
It's my hair.
Yeah. Wow.
Be careful, bud.
Go get it, buddy. Good job. Okay, hey, don't throw it in the basket. Okay, come on, there's some more, buddy. You see him? Go get it.
Look at Ty closing from the tree.
Come on, buddy.
Grab it.
Do you want me to let you up? Here.
What is...
The egg is not.
Big egg.
Put him on Mr. DeKin's property.
Whoa.
You see any more? Down here. I see it right there, but
Get it.
I'll take it back now.
That flower's going to be awesome. It won't hurt you.
It won't hurt you.
Here, babe, you get slippers.
Any more?
Right here.
Yeah, flower.
Got it.
Some more, buddy.
There's more. Where?
Look top to bottom. Yeah.
Look at the top two all around.
Wait till they're like...
See any more? Yeah, I see one. In the bush. Find it. In the bush. This bush.
Look with your eyes, buddy.
Yeah. Huh? In the bush. They didn't find it. I don't see it. In the top.
See? Oh, Eddie sees. Whoa. Good job, Easter Bunny.
Oh.
Look for some more. Look for some more. Look
way.
over there.
Look that way. Jaden, this way.
See one.
Some more. Some more.
Look, buddy, look.
You gotta look.
Look around. Oh,
Good
wow.
job.
Over here. Over here. Dude. What is this?
I don't know. It's stuck.
Go get it.
More? Whoa!
Whoa. Almost missed that one.
You almost stepped on that one, buddy.
Whoa!
Good job, buddy. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh! Jaden, didn't you see some over here that you said?
Jaden, what's this one over here, J-boy?
You don't remember?
Is that one?
You know, one year, last tree must have been about 10 or 11.
Jaden.
And Nancy Becky found it.
Jaden, did you look up in the trees?
No.
There's some up in the trees too.
J-Guy, what is that boy?
Backyard smashed it. Oh.
What is that guy doing there? Can you get it? Oh!
Well, I need it.
You need it? What you gonna do with it? Jaden, what's that one? Oh, good job.
Over here.
J-Boy. J-Boy.
Go all over.
Oh, I didn't see that one. Buddy, come here. This
What?
way. You gotta look everywhere. Did you look in the pan? Come here.
Don't look in the pan.
Jaden, look in the plant. You gotta look everywhere.
Whoa!
And look, there's another one in a tree. You gotta find one so I can lift you up. Look in the tree. Come here. Look in the tree and see if you can find it.
Look good, buddy. Look good.
And I'll lift you up to get it. You see it? Yeah, I'll lift you up. Come over here. Over here.
Good job.
But it cracked.
It's okay. Put it inside. It cracked.
Come here.
Over there, buddy.
Look it right here.
Whoa, and why the car's nose?
Yeah, car's nose. Yeah.
J-Boy, go